back with another unboxing video, and today we're opening up the HP Fortis 11 G10 Chromebook. This is a fairly new device that came out last year, and we've heard a lot of great things about it. This model has 32GB of storage, 4GB of RAM, and runs on an N100 processor. Taking a first look at the design, I can already tell this feels really durable and secure. It has this textured casing that helps mask scratches and other wear and tear, which is great. Looking at the ports, there's both two USB-C and USB-A ports, which is really nice. Like I said before, this does feel really durable and even has that rubberized edging we like to see. Opening it up, you can see that it even has that same texture on the palm rest. This keyboard is also really nice, and there isn't any space around the keys for debris to get in. The only slight downside I see here is that the keyboard isn't detachable, so you'd have to replace either individual keys or the full palm rest. Now, let's take a look at how this device holds up in terms of repairability. There are 6 screws, but just a couple things to note. These aren't retained in, and each set of 2 are actually different lengths, so you'll need to keep track of where each one goes. This bottom case isn't the easiest to get off either. You can't actually pry it open from the sides like you usually can. You have to go in up here by the hinge to pop it open. This can be a good thing though, since it makes it harder for students to get inside and mess with it. Looking at these internal components, I'm seeing a lot of good things. First, there's a large copper heatsink over the motherboard, which helps prevent overheating. It's secured down with thermal grease though, which you would need to reapply if you ever replace it. Another thing that's nice is that you can pretty much remove any component without taking others out first. The battery has its own area here, and the motherboard and daughterboard cables aren't routed over it, which you sometimes see. Everything else here is pretty standard. You've got these brackets over the ports to keep them tight and secure, which is always good. The only other thing I'd want to point out in terms of repairability is that this bezel is adhered down, so you'll need to use some heat to remove it to avoid breaking that LCD. But yeah, this is fairly easy to close back up, just make sure you put the screws back in the right spots. And that's it for this HP Chromebook. Let us know in the comments what you think of this device and what other devices you'd like to see an overview of. Thanks for watching!